We're going to have a run through of our M80 Tilt-in-space Shower chair today. This is a 120 kilo weight limit tilt-in-space shower chair. It's also suitable for a standard toilet, so we'll go over a toilet, and you can also use it as a commode. It comes with footrests, seat, removable pad, commode pan, adjustable headrest and flip-up arms, all as standard. As well as that, the backrest is also adjustable for tension, so if you've got somebody with a slight curvature in the spine, it can actually be curved slightly and so the person sinks into it a little bit. So we're going to start with the footrests. So the footrests are flip up, so these can be moved out of the way if a person is going to be walking and able to sit on the chair. If they're going to be hoisted onto the chair, you'll probably want the footrest down and they can be hoisted straight onto those. They are height adjustable. There's a little screw fixing at the back and a little pin in the front here that is removable. You can then choose different height settings for the footrests, as well as remove them completely if they're not required. Or if you had a single amputee, you could keep one in position and remove the other. Calf support comes as standard. We do that with any tilting space chair, because if the person is tilted back, if their feet get pulled back into the chair, if they have a spasm or a seizure, it can be quite dangerous and they can hit on the metalwork on the chair. So these come as standard. They are Velcro, they are adjustable and removable if you don't want to use one. The four casters we have on the base, they're all braked casters, designed to be wet and dry, so they can be used in a wet environment because it's obviously a shower chair. The seat is a standard size toilet seat aperture. It comes with a pad, so if you're using it as a transport chair, getting from the bathroom to the bedroom, bedroom to bathroom, etc., that can be then removed if you want to use it as a shower or commode chair. The commode pan's in there at the moment with its lid on, and the commode pan is removable from the rear of the chair. It just slides back out completely, and then you have a lid obviously for the care staff to hide any contents and dispose of. I'll remove the pad as well. The armrests are again standard. They are flip-up arms to enable side transfers if a person needs to get more access for washing, fitting slings, etc. And then they can be brought down to give the person the support they need. Moving up to the headrest, we have a swan neck headrest which comes as standard. I'm just going to pivot the chair around slightly for you. We have height adjustable, and by unscrewing these little pieces here and here, we can also change the angle of the headrest and then the angle of the head support itself. So it's multi-adjustable, up, down, forwards, backwards, and you can change the angle of it as well. Just turn the chair around a bit further. I mentioned earlier about the backrest. So you have Velcro strips here, which can be loosened or tightened depending on how much give you want to have in the backrest for the amount of support the person needs when they're in the chair. You've also got on the back here, you can see the tilting mechanism. I'll do that in a second to tilt the chair. And you also have a good feature, if you're going to be storing this equipment and space is tight, there is a little bar underneath. If you pull this, you can actually tilt the chair down and fold it away. So it stores a lot easier in community equipment stores, or even in somebody's home if it's going to go into an airing cupboard or somewhere out of the way. Once that's up, squeeze the handle, push down on the backrest, and it will go into its tilt position. This is something that you're going to use for people with poor trunk control, maybe MS, MND, that sort of thing. Gravity kind of takes over and it'll hold somebody back in the chair. They're less likely to fall to the side or get a heavy lean. The head support can be adjusted obviously as well, and if you want any further, we can just loosen off the backrest so they sink further into there.